What's up, everyone? Welcome to Shipping Tags. I am Ruth, and I am very happy to announce that from now on, you can create shipping methods that are zone aware. Up until now, you could only create general shipping methods that do not attach to a specific zone. But we understand the importance of actually dividing your rules by physical locations of customers. So we've added this option for you guys. Now let's move on and just see exactly how to do it in the app. I've already created a shipping method of fast shipping. Let's go and edit this method. It is using all of the regular rules that you already know from the app, and if you're not aware of them, I'm going to link below some of our basic training videos so that you can check them out and see exactly how to use the app, because shipping can get kind of complicated, but in Shipping Tags we aim to keep it as simple as possible. So let's edit this method. So I have all of the general method settings and the three most important rules that determine how exactly the shipping method will behave. But if we scroll down, we now have a new section called shipping zones. And in here, you can choose which shipping zones this method applies to. The default is all shipping zones, meaning if the products in the cart answer the requirements for this shipping method, it will appear. It doesn't matter where the customer is located. Alternatively, I could choose specific shipping zones to either include or exclude. Let's see exactly how we do that. We just choose select specific, and here we have all of the shipping zones that I have in my store included, and I can choose which of them to exclude. I can move all of them to exclude and choose only one to include, or maybe even two. Or I can move all of them to include, and let's say I don't want this shipping method to apply on domestic. It's only for international. These are the plays and games that you can do with it. And basically what happens once you select specific shipping zones is that no matter if all of the products in the cart should apply to the shipping method, it will not appear if the customer is buying from a zone that is not in the included list. So this is basically it. This is how you can control which shipping method applies in which shipping zone. It gives you so much more flexibility and control over your shipping rules and exactly how they behave. If there's anything that is still unclear, any questions that you have, please feel free to either comment on the video, contact our support, talk to us by email, whatever you want, we will be happy to help. So have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.